Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a trendy Digicam photo using EPIK Photo Editor. So first, you can just go to the template tab on the EPIK, and in here you can click on device, or you can also just search for the Digicam keyword like this, and there will be lots of templates that you can use. For example, I want to use this one right here. Click on use, and then you can just select your photo in here. For example, I want to use this photos right here, and after that your photo will be loading with the templates that you choose. Just wait until it's okay. So now the photo will go like this, and here is the before and here is the after with the trendy Digicam photo template. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.